always something there to remind me. Always something there to remind me. I was born, been around. Bad things usually come around, but there's always something there to remind me. Yeah, there's always something there to remind me. Always something there to remind me. Papa, always something there to remind me. I was born. But there's always something there to remind me. 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 I start losing my shit and going crazy like a gorilla. These niggas are mad, but I get low, man. I'm doing thriller, then niggas stay mad. And I stay happy, I'm like a pillar case. And niggas always talking like I'm from a villa, a chiller. Niggas always from the mill. Niggas talking shit to me, but I just pile them up like fillers. And these niggas always feeling me. You're feeling me. I ain't talking, no, you're feeling me. You're feeling me. You ain't seeing me. Seeing this right now in the space that I'm seeing it right now. And niggas can't compete in that right. That is what a motorcycle should have. Perfect. No, because I think it was on one of these videos. I'm driving down the fucking road and I complained because this fucking bike had the tiny little fucking like lantern light. Like a lantern from a fucking camping site as their fucking front light. And I said, the bikes, they're fucking tiny. They have a lot of lights. Like, that fucking whole bike lights up. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Bikes need to light the fuck up because they're so fucking small. It's so hard to see, but I knew exactly that. I saw that fucking bike from a goddamn dick mile away. No fucking goddamn shit on fucking Haas, nigga. Everything I see is goddamn gold and fucking glitter, and everything I goddamn touch turns into goddamn pink pixel fucking dust. Niggas always be talking shit about me like they know what I'm talking about, but they don't fucking know, bro. They don't know what the fuck I be on. They don't know the fucking gang I be in and shit. I be talking about goddamn Mario Judah gang. I would have been fucking dead down for that motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Niggas always be talking shit to me like they know what I'm talking about. You don't know what I'm talking about, son. I'm just out of the Wu-Tang Clan, motherfucker. I kill any motherfucker just because I can, motherfucker. Always talking shit to me, but you know I'm the man, motherfucker. You gonna see me, nigga, I'm gonna burn you, give you a 10, motherfucker. Don't talk shit to me, nigga, when you know you ain't even fucking when you just a fucking fan, motherfucker. Like that shit that makes me cool off in the summer, motherfucker. I never talk shit, you're just a bummer, motherfucker. I'm driving around in a red Hummer, motherfucker, and you're talking shit, and that's a stunner, motherfucker. But I'm just chilling, though. Talking shit, but I'm just doing crystal, though. I mean, I'm doing some crystal blow. Talking shit to me, but don't even know what the crystals do. I mean, where the crystals go? I ain't spitting that good because I'm higher than the crystals, though. That don't even really make no sense, but you get what I'm saying, nigga. I mean, I'm toting like a goddamn fucking player. You know how it be. I be smoking all this goddamn weed. I got a lot, and it's all up in my jeans. Can't turn my light on no more. I fucked up the stream. that's just the shit, and that's how it be. Finna go pick up my boy named Lee. Bye. Nigga talking shit, but I'm pretty sure that nigga was bye. Talk shit to me, I'm pretty sure he gay. Nigga, stay the fuck out the way, nigga. AK-47, that let it spray, nigga. You was not gonna come home today, nigga. Every which way, nigga. You gonna talk shit to me, but you ain't never gonna be able to say, nigga. And he fade every day. Talking shit to me, but ain't even gonna get laid. That talking about that nigga Mason. That's on God. I'm a G. I got a lot of dogs. I got a lot of dogs. Doggy dog. You don't like them dogs? They go rough, rough, rough. Damn. Oh shit, oh shit. Wrong house. Fuck. Making a habit, nigga, like a goddamn boo basket. Niggas always talking shit, but ain't a habit. I went to the wrong driveway. That's just how it happens sometimes, you know? Fuck! Alright, so now we're here at the spot. We at the spot and we drop the motherfucking beat and the motherfucking bop. And we here at the spot. And these niggas gonna make the boom beat pop. And I'm turning the fuck around. Nigga by the speed of sound. Turning all the way around, yeah. Way at the motherfucking spot, and I don't see this pussy nigga anywhere. What the fuck? I bought the cookie for him. I hope I want it. Oh, I'm gonna have to go knock on the door and blow some clouds in his mom's fucking face. Wait. You gotta come here. What's going on, man? What's going on, man? Look at this shit on God, man.
What is this shit, man?
That's a John, man. This is motherfucking John, man.
Strawberry kiwi, nigga.
He said strawberry kiwi, nigger.
Is it about to die?
No, it's just red. I had it on the charger before I got here. Got work today, bro.
What, you have work or you did work?
I had work. Like I did it already.
Yeah.
I worked fucking 10 to fucking 3. It wasn't that bad. It was really short, actually.
This kind of tastes like
I think it was mango or some shit.
It tastes like the fucking Big Chief.
I like that. You know how much that was?
How much?
They were 5 for 100.
You getting our audio?
Yeah, I am. Well,
podcasting it?
Yeah, we're all recording a little video. I recorded the whole way here.
Oh.
I accidentally pulled in the other dude's fucking driveway. Cause I always do this. I always record like this. Cause it just records out the window. Like when it's sunshine, you can see the fucking trees and shit. It looks cool in the sky.
Yeah.
Like I do it in the morning, you can see the sky. I have them all the videos uploaded.
That's kind of nice though.
I got it recorded, and I recorded me hitting a deer. So I hit a deer. That's why the door sounded all fucked up.
We should go back.
Why?
I forgot my controller.
Hey, bro, I got one. Jacob has 2.
Alright. What are we gonna play?
Minecraft.
Split the screen. 3 ways.
Fuck yeah, no. Just me and you. He had a big ass TV in his room, then he had like a He plays on his computer. We play on that big ass TV. And we're gonna be making raps tonight. Either you gonna get on the track or you gonna be ad-libs.
Alright, bro. How about I don't want to be on it. I don't want to call myself a lyricist either, but like if you spin some shit, I feel like I could like add on to it though.
Like add bars onto it?
Yeah, like some or like flip what you said.
I know what you're saying, like.
Or like I could like write something down to start you off so you could go off something.
Like a ghostwriter.
Yeah.
What I like that idea you had before though, like where you said we go back and forth. Could me and Jacob do that a lot?
Oh yeah, like one-liners?
Where it'd be like, you like this guy named Cash or Quan does it really good. You can look him up real quick. Look up Cash or Quan, dynamic duo.
I'll put this right here next to your cookie.
Nigga, you can have that cookie if you want, bro.
Oh, okay.
That's an Arby's cookie, nigga. You gonna turn down an Arby's cookie?
You turning down the Arby's cookie?
I had like, nigga. This is the coolest thing is my fucking workplace is so chill. I be going in the back and getting lit as fuck, hitting the John and shit.
Is there a G station we can stop at on the way to Jacob's? Besides the one that's over here?
Yeah, we can go to Sicko if you want.
Like, I mean, whichever one's closer. If someone was on the way, then yeah, we can stop there real quick. Don't forget to grab me like a drink or something.
A little far, bro. We got it. I mean, it's not a little far.
I'm not thirsty right now, but just in general.
No, okay, so Jacob, he lives down by, you know, Lake Village, right?
Yeah.
And you know the Sicko in Lake Village. You know where he lives, like the main town? We used to go down that road a little bit, go to Sicko real quick. Or Dollar Tree, wherever you want to go. Okay, that Family Dollar right there, too. Listen to some classical shit. I'll always be listening to this shit, too.
Classical?
Yeah, this is why.
I was trying to bring my AirPods too, bro, so we listen